Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by checking power and cabling to isolate common faults. Use a USB-C cable that is 1 meter long and a 2-amp power source for testing. Inspect the port for debris or bent pins using a 3.5x magnifier light. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and observe the LED. A steady blue LED indicates bootloader entry. Connect to a Windows PC and confirm the device reports firmware FC25 v1.02 in Device Manager. Next, perform a controlled firmware reflash to restore functionality. Download the FC25 v1.02 firmware file and save it to a folder smaller than 500 megabytes. Verify the hash that accompanies the file to ensure integrity. Put the unit into bootloader mode by holding reset while you plug in the USB-C cable. Launch the official flasher tool and select the correct COM port shown by Device Manager. Begin the write process and do not disconnect until the tool reports success and a green status. After a successful flash, complete calibration before returning the unit to service. Run the built-in calibration routine using the calibration button sequence shown in the tool. Move each control through its full range and confirm there are no dead zones greater than 3.5 degrees. Save calibration settings to internal memory and reboot the unit. If intermittent faults persist, replace the USB-C cable and repeat the reflash and calibration steps. Finally, test for stable operation for at least 30 minutes before concluding repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.